Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be visiting the hotel owned by Dr. Abel Damina. So for those who don't know, Dr. Abel Damina is the founder of Abel Damina Ministries and the founder of Power City International, and he's one of the leading pastors we have in Nigeria, and he has been so for a while. So I heard he has a hotel and I'm going to be checking it out. So first impressions upon getting to the hotel, I could see that the hotel is located in a serene environment. It looks pretty cool and awesome. From the gate, the staff are really welcoming and friendly and polite. Considering that a lot of staff in Nigeria are really rude, but over here the staff were really nice and polite. They gave us a tour of the facility and they were really nice about it. The first room we got to check out was the room that was going for 45,000 naira. That's the least amount you can get a room here, for 45,000 naira. The room was quite small, but it has all what you would want a standard hotel to have, and it also has a balcony, a pretty cool balcony with a nice view.
Okay.
I loved the balcony of this room. And the next room we got to check out was the one that went for 55,000 naira. Pretty much the same thing, just a little bit bigger. And the last room we got to check was the room that was going for 65,000 naira. Pretty awesome room. It's pretty much the same thing, but it's bigger than the one that went for 45 and for 55,000. Also, the hotel has an elevator. The building is not really that tall. I think 3, 4, 5 floors maximum. I think 3 to 4 floors, but it has an elevator in case you are not a fan of using the staircase. And the last thing we got to check in the hotel was the swimming pool. It has a pretty cool swimming pool. It's not really that big, but it's decent enough for a swim. It's pretty decent, and it's gonna cost you about 3,000 naira to swim here. Whether you're lodging in the hotel or you're coming from outside, you are also welcome to swim in this pool for 3,000 naira. Pretty cool pool. The deeper side is about 6 feet and the shallow side is about 4 feet, so it's pretty decent. And I also learned that the hotel is managed separately from the ministries, so you won't think that because it's related to Abel Damina you're gonna be all holy and righteous here. Nah, you can get to have some fun. It's managed separately on its own entity. As a matter of fact, I've searched online. I've not even seen anywhere online that says the hotel is owned by Abel Damina. So again, that's just to show you that this hotel is totally separated from the ministries. You can come here, you can have fun if you are in Uyo. It's a pretty cool and serene place to have fun. So there you have it. That's my review of Medina hotels that I think is owned by Abel Damina. It's a pretty cool hotel. Let me know what you think about this hotel in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you love this video, please like, please subscribe, please share, and I'll see you in another video.